Yo, it's good. Yo, let's break this down today, alright? Let's go. Alright, so let's open up the original image and let's put that up in Lightroom. Number one, let's crop that. So put that into a square. Number two, let's calibrate the colors inside of it. So we'll make it a nice saturated look. And we'll add some grain. This way it's gonna look more like a painting. It's gonna look more natural. And we'll go to number four. We'll sharpen it up a bit, which will get the whole vibe thing going on. And number five, let's just tune it off, We'll do all the basics. Most of our magic's gonna happen in this part right there. Number six, let's color correct it. This is probably one of the most important parts of the whole thing. And it's gonna give you the pop. Yes. Alright, so let's export this image and we'll save it as numero 1. So this is after and this is before. And this is after. It's looking pretty, huh? Alright, so let's pull this up in Photoshop. And we want to add our parental advisory tag, just for the looks. And we'll put it up in Photoshop. There we go. So let's select it using the wand, and because we want to paint this into an orange. Yeah, there we go. And we'll copy paste this in and resize it. We'll drop this down into the corner. Yes, sir. Now that's looking fantastic. Next step, we're gonna put in our font. So many gems hidden in the bank. And so we're going to just do this in a DIN regular, which is, it's a cool font. I've been using it for a while now. It's pretty cool. And that's pretty much it, Less than 2 minutes, we got this. Yes, sir. Mr. C out of here.